What is the ongoing buzz around English? Well, English is the lingua franca of the modern world. It is the language of business. The importance of English is increasing day by day. Today, your success is measured on your efficiency in English language communication. It is therefore not wrong to say that English is the language of success. No matter what field you are in, effective communication in English is the need of the hour. In this video, we will be looking at ways to improve your English on a daily basis. The most crucial step to improve the language is to surround yourself with this language. Make it part and parcel of your life. It would help if you expose yourself to English as much as possible. How do you surround yourself with English? You must start to listen, speak, read, and write in English. First of all, let's look at listening. Listening plays an important part in learning the language. Effective listening leads to easy understanding of the language. To improve your English, you must improve your listening skills. You should pay close attention to not only what is said in English, but also how it is said. But how do you improve your listening skills? Well, it has never been this simple. All you need to do is to listen to music in English. No matter what type of music you prefer, old or modern, listen to songs in English only. Also, pay close attention to the lyrics of the songs. You can also watch movies, TV shows, and news in English. Attending plays, talks, and exhibitions conducted in English also helps to improve language listening daily. Speaking. Let's explore speaking now. Of all language skills, speaking is often said to be the most difficult one. However, the race can be won slowly but steadily. Be patient with yourself. Fluency in English can take its own time. But talk in English. No matter how many mistakes you make, never give up. As much as possible, try to speak in English. When you're talking in English, record yourself. Recording and listening will help you to realize how you can improve on your speaking style. Keep on repeating the recording till you feel satisfied with the result. It even helps to improve your pronunciation skills in English. Reading. Now let's move on to reading. It is one of the magical formula for every problem. You must try and develop the habit of reading in English. Reading helps to understand the sentence structure as well as the grammar of the language. It would be best if you inculcate the habit of reading daily. Start with simple books or magazines and slowly move on to the other literary works in English. In the beginning, your aim must be to read at least 10 pages a day or 20 minutes a day without fail. Gradually increase the reading time. Don't just focus on the new words while reading. Observe the various order of words and sentence structures. Identify different parts of speech and also observe how separate paragraphs are constructed. You must attend, imitate, and learn the style of good writers. While reading, you will also come across several new words in English. Jot down these words in a book along with the meaning and make use of these words while speaking. Make it a habit to learn a minimum of 5 new words a day. This will help you improve your vocabulary also in English. Do you have a diary of your own like Anne Frank? Diary writing helps to improve English language writing daily. Writing in English is an essential part of learning the language. Initially, you must start by keeping a diary of your own. Pour out your heart and write down in English whatever happened that day. Try to be creative with the process of writing. Most importantly, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Try to think in English and write down your own thoughts. Now, it can be said that English language can be efficiently learned by practicing, reading, writing, speaking, and listening daily. You must practice all the language skills discussed in this video essentially daily to master the language. Want a sample schedule on how you can include English language learning in your daily routine? Click on the description to see a sample schedule which can even fit into a busy one. www.skillioma.com. Skillioma, beyond curriculum.